Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a composition that matches your target platform. Set 16, 9 resolution and 24 or 30 FPS. Once done, import all photos, clips, and audio into assets and group them into folders so you stay organized. Next, drag primary clips to the timeline and perform quick trims to establish timing. Make sure to lock foundational layers to avoid accidental edits. This ensures overlays and effects will align correctly as you move into precise adjustments. Now you refine the visual story. Attach masks to isolate subjects and feather edges for seamless composites. Once masked, animate position, scale, and rotation with keyframes, and use easing to avoid robotic motion. Make sure to adjust layer hierarchy so effects like color correction and blending modes apply correctly. Stack curves, saturation, and selective color adjustments to match tones. If you need motion blur or vignette, add them as top group effects so they impact child layers consistently and preserve realism. To finish, open Export and choose MP4 with H, 264 codec for broad compatibility. Set a target bitrate between 6 and 12 Mbps and keep the original frame rate. Once done, save the project and export a 10-15 second test clip to verify quality and audio sync. Make sure to also save a backup. Alproj to external storage. If the full render fails, clear Alight motion cache, lower bitrate, or temporarily disable resource-heavy effects. Then re-export in segments to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.